Welcome to Microfocus Education. This video will demonstrate the improved search features that are provided with WorkCenter in Solutions Business Manager 11.7. In this demo, we will work with search filters and save and apply My Project selections. Let's start by logging on to the WorkCenter. Let's look at the enhancements. First, select the application, in this case, Issue Defect Management. One nice enhancement is that it's now possible to select a saved filter before you perform a search. For example, I have created a filter that returns only active items. I'll select this filter now before performing my search. Now, I'll search for all active items that contain the keyword image. There are 31 active items with the keyword image. Next, let's switch over to My Project items to see what's changed there. Starting with this release, My Project items are now synchronized with selected filters. Filters are the indicators in the Refined By area. As you can see, the selected project now appears as a filter. You can save a project filter, then apply it to future searches. You can save multiple project filters, whereas in the past only one set of projects could be saved. Now, with the image builder filter applied, I'll run the search on image again. There are 28 results this time. There are some more enhancements that have been made with search filters. Let's scroll down the list and add another filter. Notice that Apply Selections now always appears when I scroll, so it's easy to get to. As you can see, the new filters appear in green. This tells me what will be added to my existing filter when I save it. We can clear a particular filter, and we can clear the set of filters that were saved. Finally, let's sign out of the WorkCenter. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video about the search improvements to WorkCenter in SBM 11.7. For full documentation, visit help.serena.com.